Hello friends! Welcome to KK Readings. Let's read together. Don't push the button! A Christmas Adventure. Written and illustrated by Bill Cotter. Whoa, whoa, whoa! You know Larry's rule, don't push the button! Santa's on his way. You don't want to end up on the naughty list, do you? Gosh, it sure is pretty tough. Psst, I don't think any elves are watching. Maybe give the button one teensy push. Golly, you turned me green like a Christmas tree. Push it again. Now I really look like a Christmas tree. Okay, that's enough. Push the button 2 times to make me purple again. Yikes, I look like a candy cane. Push the button 3 times. Hey, watch it, buddy. Quick, shake the book to get rid of these elves. Oh no, all the shaking made it snow. Try pushing the button super hard. Hey you, that's my nose. I can see Santa coming. Quick, clap your hands to get me back to normal. Larry, I'm so glad I found you. I need you and your friend to help me start my sleigh. Can you help me start Santa's sleigh? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, push! The end. Thank you for reading with me. If you like my story, please subscribe, share, and like. Thank you.